Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Sidra. I am your teacher. I am very happy you are here today.
Hello, Sidra. My name is Siam. I am happy too. I want to learn English.
That is great, Siam. Don't worry, we will go slow. We will use easy words. We will repeat many times. It is okay to make mistakes.
Thank you, Sidra. That makes me feel good.
You are welcome. Today, we will learn two things. First, we will learn greetings. Then, we will learn daily activities. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Part 1. Greetings. Let us start with greetings. Greetings are the words we say when we meet someone. The first word is very easy. The word is hello. Repeat after me. Say hello.
Hello.
Very good. Let us say it again. Hello.
Hello.
Nice. Now another easy word is hi. Hi is like hello. Repeat after me. Hi.
Hi.
Great. Now listeners, it is your turn. Say hello. Hi. Good job. Now, when we meet someone in the morning, we say good morning. Listen first. Good morning. Now repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very nice. Let us say it slowly. Good morning.
Good morning.
Excellent. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. Repeat after me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good. In the evening, we say good evening. Repeat after me. Good evening.
Good evening.
Well done, Sime. Now, listeners, practice with us. Say good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Yes, please. Say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very good.
Now we ask a question. We ask, how are you? This means, how do you feel? Repeat after me. How are you?
How are you?
Nice. One more time. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Now we answer this question. We can say, I am fine. Repeat after me. I am fine.
I am fine.
Very good. Another answer is, I am good. Repeat after me. I am good.
I am good.
Great. Now let us make a small talk, a short conversation. Hello, how are you?
I am fine. I am good.
Very nice. Now, listeners, you try. Say, hello, how are you? Then say, I am fine. Excellent. Greetings are very important. We use them every day.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I am fine. I am good.
That makes me happy. Now, let us move to the next topic.
Thank you, Sidra. I feel more confident now. Yeah, sure. What is the next topic? I'm excited to know.
Good. So now we will talk about daily activities. Daily activities are the things we do every day.
Okay, that sounds interesting.
Yes, very interesting and very useful. Let us start with the morning. When we get up from bed, we say, I wake up. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
Good. Now a full sentence. I wake up in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
Very nice. After that, we clean our teeth. We say, I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Great. Then we take a bath. We say, I take a bath. Repeat after me. I take a bath.
I take a bath.
Good job. Then we eat in the morning. We say, I eat breakfast. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Excellent. Listeners, now it is your turn. Say with us. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast. Very good. After breakfast, many people go out. Students say, I go to school. Repeat after me. I go to school.
I go to school.
Good. Some people work. They say, I go to work. Repeat after me. I go to work.
I go to work.
Nice. In the evening, we come back. We say, I come home. Repeat after me. I come home.
I come home.
Very good. At night, we eat again. We say, I eat dinner. Repeat after me. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
Great! And at the end of the day, we sleep. We say, I sleep. Repeat after me. I sleep.
I sleep.
Well done, Saeem. Now let us put everything together. We will make a small daily story. Listen first. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I come home. I eat dinner. I sleep. Now repeat with me, slowly.
Sure. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I come home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
Excellent. Listeners, now you try. Say the sentences slowly. Daily activities are easy when we practice. Practice every day. Say the sentences again and again.
Yes, I feel it is easy when I repeat.
That is the secret. Repeat and practice. Short review. Now, let us review. Today, we learned greetings. We learned hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I am fine. I am good. Then we learned daily activities. We learned I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to work. I come home. I eat dinner. I sleep. Saeem, how do you feel now?
I feel happy. I feel confident. I can say greetings and daily activities now.
That is wonderful, Saeem. Dear listeners, you are doing great too. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep smiling. Thank you for listening to our podcast. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Take care. Goodbye.